Chia seeds versus basil seeds for effective weight loss. A comprehensive comparison. In the quest for effective weight loss, many individuals turn to natural remedies and superfoods to support their efforts. Two popular options that have gained attention in recent years are chia seeds and basil seeds. Both chia seeds and basil seeds come from plants, but they have different origins. Chia seeds are native to Mexico and Guatemala, while basil seeds have their roots in India and other parts of Asia. Chia seeds are rich in fiber, protein, and omega-3 fatty acids, making them an excellent choice for weight loss. They have a unique ability to absorb water, which helps to keep you feeling full and satisfied after meals. Basil seeds, on the other hand, are also high in fiber and are known for their detoxifying properties. They expand when soaked in water, creating a gel-like substance that can help to suppress your appetite. When it comes to taste, chia seeds are mild and versatile, making them easy to add to a variety of dishes. They can be sprinkled on top of salads, mixed into smoothies, or used as a thickener in soups and stews. Basil seeds have a slightly more pronounced flavor, with a hint of sweetness. They're commonly used in drinks and desserts in Asia, but can also be added to salads, soups, and other dishes for a unique twist. In terms of weight loss, both chia seeds and basil seeds can be beneficial. They're both high in fiber, which can help to keep you feeling full and prevent overeating. Plus, they're low in calories, making them a great addition to a balanced diet. However, it's important to remember that consuming chia seeds or basil seeds alone isn't a magic solution for weight loss. They should be used as part of a balanced diet and regular exercise routine to see the best results. In conclusion, both chia seeds and basil seeds offer unique benefits when it comes to weight loss. They're packed with nutrients, easy to incorporate into your diet, and can help to keep you feeling satisfied. So, whether you choose chia seeds, basil seeds, or a combination of both, you can feel confident that you're making a healthy choice for your weight loss journey. After all, every little step counts when it comes to achieving your weight loss goals. Remember, the key to effective weight loss is balance. So, while chia seeds and basil seeds can certainly play a role, it's important to pair them with a balanced diet and regular exercise for the best results. So go ahead, add a sprinkle of chia seeds or a spoonful of basil seeds to your next meal. You'll not only add a nutritional boost, but you may also find that these tiny seeds can make a big difference in your weight loss efforts.